Hello friends, we are here with a new video of the study circle. The problem is CIR 43.1, which states that from an external point P, so from an external point P, tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with a center O. And the angle PAB, which is given as 50 degrees, and we have to find angle AOB. So let's do this particular construction. I have drawn this particular circle. As you can see, O is the center, P is the external point. From P, there is a tangent which is drawn at PA and another tangent which is drawn at PB. So that's the construction that I have done. Now we have to find this particular angle, which is this particular angle AOB. That's the angle that we have to find. Now we are going to use the property of the tangent. What is the property? Can you please recollect what is the property of the tangent? The basic property of the tangent is that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius drawn. So OA is perpendicular to AP. OA is perpendicular to OP, and similarly OB is perpendicular to OB is perpendicular to BP. So this particular angle is 90 degrees. So what I have written here is that angle OAP, which is this particular angle OAP, which is drawn here, equals to OBP, which is drawn here. That particular angle is 90 degrees. So naturally, this particular angle, the smaller angle which is shown here, that's angle OAB, will be 40 degrees, which is 90 minus 50 degrees, because we are given that the angle PAB is 50 degrees. The angle PAB is given as 50 degrees. So let me just try to remove some marks so that it becomes clear. So now this particular angle is given as 50 degrees now, and the total angle is 90 degrees. So this particular smaller angle will become 40 degrees. So angle OAB is 40 degrees, which is 90 minus 50 degrees. Similarly, this particular angle OBA will be 40 degrees because the two tangents drawn from an external point are congruent. So the angles will be the same. So we get OBA as 40 degrees. Now, if you look at this particular triangle, again, let me erase this particular mark so that it becomes clear. So now if you look at triangle OAB, if you look at triangle OAB, we know two angles. One is 40 degrees, the other is 40 degrees. So this particular angle, so this is 40 degrees, this is 40 degrees. So the remaining angle which is asked for is angle AOB, which will be 180 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 40 degrees, which is 100 degrees. So friends, we use the property of the triangle and the tangent, that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So that's how we got OA is perpendicular to AP and OB is perpendicular to BP. So these two angles are 90 degrees, and we already are given that this particular angle PAB is given as 50 degrees. So the remaining angle becomes 40 degrees. And again, we are using the property of the tangent is that the two tangents drawn from an external point are congruent. So this particular angle will also be 40 degrees. So this is 40 degrees, is 40 degrees. And the remaining angle in triangle OAB, the remaining angle in triangle OAB is going to be 180 minus 40, which is 100 degrees. So that's the answer. If you have any queries, you can always get back to us. Thank you.